Gada gadi gada oh.
Hello everyone, my name is Maria Rosari Sevanya Restubumi and this is my team. Her name is Francisca Dorandi Ardina and we are from International Industrial Engineering Program Batch 23. And in this video, we are going to talk about democracy as a task that we want to complete for state ideology course. And in this video too, we want to talk about democracy in Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta, and we want to interview Kak Nando as a chairman of Pemilra 2024. Let's start the interview.
Hello everyone, my name is Luis Fernando Egda and you can call me Nando. I'm currently taking informatics program at Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta and I'm the chairman of Pemilra, the faculty of Industrial Technology.
Hello Kak Nando, let me introduce myself. My name is Sevanya and now I will ask you some question and then another my friends will ask you some question too about democracy in Atmajaya Yogyakarta. Okay, so this is the first question for you. How would you describe the essence of democracy in your opinion?
So democracy for me is, personally, I think it's all about rule by the people. So what I mean rule by the people is people have freedom to have their own rights, to have their own votes. Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, next, the second question is, what kind of democracy do you see being applied at Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta, especially in activities like Pemilra 2024?
So one of the democracy that I've experienced before is from Pemilra in my faculty. So for Pemilra 2024, the person who can join the vote is students itself and then the lecturer.
Okay, Kak Nando, next question is, in your opinion, does the current Pemilra process reflect a healthy and proper democratic system?
Yes, I think it did.
Okay, next, can you share what challenges are typically faced in making Pemilra a truly democratic process?
Okay, so for the sentence itself, an ideal democratic process, I think it's already challenging for ourselves, for the committee also. The most challenging part is how we can create a fair process and also keep transparency on.
Okay, Kak Nando, thank you for answering this question. And then my friends will ask you another question about democracy.
Okay, next for the question. How was the participation of students at Industrial Technology during Pemilra activity?
Okay, for the last Pemilra, I think the participation is already good because we increased the votes up to 200 votes. So I think, yeah, it is increasing.
Okay, next. Has the student participation are increased or decreased in recent year? And what factors affect the participation rate of students in Pemilra?
So I think what makes this year increase than last year, I think the awareness of the students itself to know that choosing the right leaders is also their own rights.
Next, what are your hopes in the next year of Pemilra?
So for the Pemilra 2025, I hope that this event can be better in publicity also, and students can be more aware about they have their own rights to choose the right leader, because when an organization in our faculty create an event, it's not only for their committee but also it's for all of the students in the faculty. So for what we can improve from 2024 Pemilras is, I think we need to make the publicity more to the students. So we can like create online poster, or maybe we can create a good live streaming so that people who cannot like join on site, they can like watch it online.
Okay, thank you so much Kak Nando. And for the last, please give your closing statement for us as a student of Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta.
Okay, so for the last thing, I'm inviting you all to join Pemilra 2025 to keep up the democracy in Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta. See you all.
Okay, we have finished doing an interview with Kak Nando. And as a democratic country, of course, Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta as an educational institution also applies the principle of democracy. This can be seen in the election process of the head of the institution, such as Senat Mahasiswa, Himpunan Mahasiswa Teknik Industri, Himpunan Mahasiswa Informatika, and Himpunan Mahasiswa Sistem Informasi in Faculty of Industrial Technology. All elements of the campus participated in this activity. As one of the participants, we feel that democracy implement is such good, and this also corroborated by Kak Nando's statement that election participation is increased this year. The implementation of this year election has applied the principle of langsung, umum, bebas, jujur, rahasia, and adil.
Okay, to conclude our interview with Kak Nando, we've gained valuable insight into the democratic practice at Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta, particularly through the Pemilra process. According to Kak Nando, democracy at Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta is reflected through the open and fair election system that allows all voices to be heard. While there have been challenges in creating an ideal democratic process, the Pemilra continues to improve year after year. FTE student participation in the election have shown a positive trend, with more students getting involved this year. Several factors such as greater awareness and this ease of voting have contributed to this increase. However, this is always room for growth, and Kak Nando expressed hope for an even stronger throughout next year. Improvement in outreach, transparency, and efficiency are some areas that could enhance the democratic process at Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta moving forward. Thank you for turning into our discussion. Let's continue to uphold and strengthen democracy with our campus community. Thank you.
Saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada teman-teman semua karena telah mau hadir ke kegiatan.
Untuk saya sebagai kepentingan mahasiswa. Terima kasih.
Kuning yang pintar masih berpaling, ditinggal beasiswa, tenang kawan tak kapan, bertahan buat apa, belum ada artinya.
Mungkin itu saja jawaban pendapat saya jawab atas pertanyaan Bapak. Terima kasih.
Sejatinya saya hanya ingin membantu kalian di sini.
Introduksi waktu habis.
Terima kasih.
Dan dengan perkembangan zaman dan juga dengan apa kemauan mahasiswa. Cara
Rukun peduli umat yang ditelabui, melupakan masa lalu. Namun kami belum tentu. Seperti kerusuhan lagi, korban nuklir lagi. Jadikan pelajaran, jangan sampai rusak beneran. Percuma sih main tusuk dia.
sendiri adalah pilar keberlangsungan program kerja yang dimakmurkan.
Di saat kita sudah menemukan masalah tersebut, kita akan berbincang kembali dengan
Ada yang tahu, ada yang cuma
dan mengajak teman-teman saya ini untuk melakukan terus untuk berkolaborasi dan kontribusi untuk memajukan.
Saya ucapkan kepada panelis dan juga para panitia pembukaan FTI tahun 2023-2024.
Mungkin sekian dari saya. Mari kita maju bersama dengan konsep 3.
Keras tangan sembadu hati.
From enggak sih, and this is my gitu aja ya.
Ya, nanti sisanya di tag saja.
Oke, 3, mulai. Itu gak apa ya. Kayak MC. Oke. Ada lah. Pokoknya kayak ada. Dan 50% dan penilaian dari